One day the red hills of Georgia, where there are slaves and the slave owners, will sit together in brotherhood. We'll get to know each other. We'll give them the same space, give them the same respect as human beings and not as slaves. And the sons of the former slave owners also. I have a dream that my four children will one day live in a nation where they won't be judged by the color of their skin, but of the content of their character. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day the state of Alabama, little black boys and black girls will be able to join hands with the little white boys and white girls and walk together as sisters and brothers. When will these hands join together? So my father, his organization, I just want to say that we have a logo of my dad's organization in West Bengal. It's called WBRUDC, West Bengal Rural Urban Development Center. It's WBRUDC, and there are the logo of the thing is with all colored hands, one black, one white, one brown, and all white. All 3-4 hands are there. 3 hands are there, yes. Black, brown, and white. It's painted in that way. Color scheme, they are all together, diversity. And WBR, West Bengal Rural Urban Development Center, it's a non-government organization which we run. My father used to run it. So I have worked in that organization also to help the people, help lepers, help shoeshine boys, help students who don't have money to study but they want to study. So that was also a part of it, to get people to get their identity. We used to help and we used to not discriminate any people. So that's why I have got that inside me. And I really appreciate this type of people who really fight for everybody. Why not respect everybody? We have to respect everybody. We are all same. It's just destiny has not clicked with someone and let's click with someone. What's the problem if a boy and girl walk? Sometimes I shake hands with my friends in Kolkata. I say that, see, I don't mind because I'll be shaking hands. My hand is quite dark, And girls are normally fair. Even my colleagues in my Calcutta office, where I used to work before, I used to shake hands with them. I used to tell them before and say, don't feel odd, okay, because I am quite dark. That's a joke where we get to know each other. People shake hands. He said, come on. Then we come to know what is our diversity and what we are not being known by our color. So type of thinking has to change in the mind. Sometimes we have a few parents also think, oh, the child has become dark. Oh, I have got a dark child. A lot of things happen in the society still now. But that has to change. We have to judge a person by his character, not by his color. I have a dream that one day the state of Alabama, little black boys and black girls will be able to join hands with the little white boys and white girls as brothers and walk together. I have a dream today with this faith, we will be able to work together, to pray together, to struggle together, to go to jail together and to stand up for freedom together, knowing that we will be free one day. It's like of a civil disobedience type of thing. He is ready for it. We have to be together, struggle together, pray together. We are not harming anybody. They are not harming. He said in his speech before only that we are not going to go against anything. We will respect the law. But the law has to know that this is wrong. That one day we will be free. This will be the day when all God's children will be able to sing with a new meaning. My country, this of thee, sweet land of liberty, of the pilgrim's pride from every mountainside, let freedom ring. And if America is to be great nation, this must become true. From every mountainside, let freedom ring. Yes, if America has to become a bigger country, it has to go ahead, and it is one of the first world, it is the top country, so this has to change. But few days ago one incident happened. You must have read about that football player, American football player. He was long time ago he was a football player and he was arrested on the streets by the police for no cause, and he was killed. People saw that. I'm forgetting his name. I'm forgetting his name. And he was on the road, and the police, four guys pressed him down with his knee, and he said, "I'm not able to breathe. Let me go. Let me go." That is also racism. What did America do about it? Donald Trump went inside his bunker. People started protesting. When the police came out, the white police people came out. They said, "We are sorry." They went and said sorry to them. They said, "We are all in it. We are really sorry that what happened." The brotherhood has to be there. I'm not saying much about it because I didn't read much about it, but whatever I knew, I just shared it with you. Today also in India this happens also. Unnecessary people are arrested. Unnecessary. Put into jail. What is the use? And it was happening in Kashmir also. Kashmiris, wherever they were seeing, they were getting arrested. All Kashmiris are not terrorists. All Muslims are also not terrorists. We can be also terrorists. We can also hold a gun and do this and do that. When the Punjabis were attacked, when our late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi was shot down, assassinated, all Punjabis were attacked. One has killed, that means all Punjabis are. What is this? We just cannot base the whole community on someone else's thing. That's what I think, generally. That day it will be a great song when all God's children will be able to sing with a new meaning, "My country, this of thee, sweet land of liberty. Of thee I sing, the land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrims." People go on pilgrims, like you go for your Mata Sheravali Mandir, then you go to Baba Dham, then you go to all these shrines where you go, religious places, you go to pilgrims, people go Ganga Sagar. So like we Christians also, we have a pilgrim in America which people sail and go to Massachusetts on the Mayflower 1620 and set up a colony in Massachusetts. So that's what he's trying to say, that we could, the sweet land of liberty, land where my fathers died, land of pilgrims, where people go for pilgrims, where my fathers also died. And if America is to be a great nation, this must become true. From every mountainside, let freedom ring. Every corner of America, let freedom come in. When we let freedom ring, we let it ring from every village and every hamlet. Hamlet is a, small village, small corner. He's trying to just say in his speech that every corner, every inch of America should, freedom should ring. That essence of freedom should come. We will be able to speed up that day when all God's children, black men and white men, Jews is people who believe in Judaism, not it's a part of the Christian clan, Judaism, Jews, and Gentiles, Protestants and Catholics. Like Gentiles, someone who is not Jewish, and Protestants who follow the Western Christian Church, which separated itself from the Roman Catholics. The Roman Catholics are from Rome, so Catholics follow the Pope. So I will not go into this religious matter. So whatever it is said here, Protestants, Catholics and Gentiles and Jews are all Christians, different parts of it. Like Hindus, you have Brahmins, you have this, you have that, so many clans. Muslims also have Sunni and Shia. So it's like that Christians have got 4 clans inside the religion. We will be able to join hands and sing in the words of the old Negro spiritual. Free at last, thank God Almighty, we are free at last. When this thing will happen, when this freedom will come, everyone is going to sing the Negro spiritual song. Free at last, thank God Almighty, we are free at last. This will happen. This is my dream, and this should happen. So we are done with this chapter. What you will do is you will try to solve the question answers, fill in the blanks, answer the following questions, think and answer. That's all is your job. page 48. Vocabulary, use the dictionary and the context of the speech to explain the meaning of these words. They are underlined in the passage. Creed, brotherhood, persecution, you'll do this. And make sentences of your own. Just keep it till there. Vocabulary, that is page 48 comprehension skill, and page 49 vocabulary is your homework. Okay, so you'll do that at any cost. It's very mandatory. It's mandatory. It's an obligation, mandatory. So you have to do it. So I'll mark it till here. We are done. And in the next class, I will discuss. You have to do the homework. Discussion I will do. Okay. So till then, take care of yourselves. Be good. Stay home. Respect your parents. Oh, today is Rakhi. Today is the 3rd, right? Happy Rakhi to all of you. And enjoy life. Bye bye. God bless.